All right, guys. Last week, we were looking at Bitcoin, and I wanted to play Bitcoin, but then I did not want to buy Bitcoin on its own. I was interested in buying the stocks and just in my other portfolio. So when we saw this bottom pattern forming right here, and there was this little flush just below the 30K mark, right? Usually that's to scare people out, and that's exactly what happened in the last few days. So instead of playing BTC, what we did at MyStockLife, we bought the MSTR spreads, right? So I bought them around here at this, around these levels right here. There was a dip, right? But then it ripped today, and I held on to my position. And here's how I played it. So I basically, instead of buying calls alone, because the premium is so high, this is what I did. I bought the $700 calls. They were very expensive, but then I sold the $800 calls. So it's also known as a vertical call spread, which cost me around $21, which is 2,100 bucks, and currently it's trading at 32 bucks. So it's already up more than 50%, right? And the max potential is 100, and I will be scaling out as I go. But here's how we played it. So bought the $700 calls, sold the 800, and the total I paid was 21 bucks, right? And then now they're in profit at 32, almost up 50%. And that's how we played at MyStockLife. And the funny thing is, these went down to 5 bucks, and now they're at 32 bucks, right? So only at MyStockLife we teach you how to do vertical call spreads.